What's going on, y'all? It's Monday. Let's get this bread, bro. Great day, man. Great day. It's y'all boy DC in the building. Y'all know the vibe. Y'all know the vibe. It's y'all boy DC. Y'all already know. So today we're still looking at gold. Every day we look at gold. Every day we look at gold. Last week we had an unprofitable week. Let me log into my dashboard. That was my first unprofitable week in so long. But we just continuing until we fund it. It don't matter. Yes, sir. So right now, we're just waiting for gold to form a setup or to give us an entry to continue to the upside. Um, I'll highly prefer if price comes back into this zone right here. What the hell? I'll highly prefer if price comes back into this zone. And then we continue to go up, but we'll see what price wants to do. Um, I'm not forcing any trades just because I'm down from last week. I'm not gonna be forcing any trades. It is what it is. So right now, that's what we currently looking at. If we do get a setup from here, it's going to be a great setup. Um, and yeah, that's what we looking at. I'm just checking with this. I'm just checking what price did on the previous session. Like this is Asian session and this is London session. So I'm just looking at what price is doing. Nothing crazy. So this is London high. Oh, that's Tokyo high. Tokyo and London high. All right, now since we got that, everything looking smooth, everything looking clean. Um, well, right now we're on a short-term uptrend on the on market structure. Everything looks clean to continue to the upside. Um, yeah, I ain't changing nothing. Still looking for the same thing. Why is that like turning on and turning off? Just turn it off. That's it. Simple. Let's see. Let me see if there's some news today, cause I don't want to get caught lacking. That's too big. So today we got no news. We're clear for the rest of the day. Whatever trade we find, we just, we don't have to worry about somebody talking. Well, cause Trump could just say anything at any moment, but since there's no news today, we don't have to worry about much. Son. Damn. Golly. What the hell was that? Damn. Damn, what is going on? Golly. How the hell? Yeah, what the hell was this? Like, what was that? That shit was crazy.
Order filled.
Alright, I took my entry like around here. Something like that. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, so that was a quick loss. Um, yeah, there's nothing I can explain. I thought we were gonna close back above the 13 EMA, but since we didn't get that, I just closed it right there. Um, I did give her room. I was telling myself if it broke the zone straight like that without no hesitation, then I would have closed it. Risking about 14 points, 15 points. Um, but since we got a close on the 13 EMA, below the 13 EMA, I just closed it. Um, this move was very sporadic and just unpredictable. So that's why I didn't enter there. I waited for a little bit and then I entered halfway into, and I had three contracts. So closing it there, I lost about like 300 maybe. Um, yeah, bro, this is all part of the game. Shoot, another loss to count. Let's just see if Gold wants to give us another setup. Hopefully, he wants to give us another setup. Yeah, y'all know I'll be lit. I don't know if y'all heard that. Well, I'll be lit. Wait, why doesn't it show that I'm streaming? Am I tripping? Wait, it's probably unlisted. I'm going to give this another shot right here. No, I ain't gonna take this. 1 minute, 1 minute time frame is not showing me strong confirmation for me to take this. Not at all. It's all good, man. Damn, bruh. 2 losses, 3 losses. Same week is crazy, bro. You know, to start out the week with a loss like that, man. So this is the loss that we took today. She, I didn't want to show this. That's how bad it is. So this is the loss that we took today. I entered right there because this whole candle was from here, no, from here to here was green, and then we just flipped back bearish, which is crazy. Um, yeah, and it was just straight loser. I closed it right here because we closed on the 5 minute below the 5 minute 13 EMA, and right here we closed right here. So I'm like, yeah, nah, it's clips. So I just closed it, call it a day. Um, I was gonna take this back to the upside because on the 1 minute it looked pretty strong right here, but then we're doing this. It's all right. I should save myself a loss. My actual loss was gonna be 500, so we saved like $200, which it doesn't really change anything. I still count it as a $500 loss because that's what I was going to be risking. Um, yeah, man. If we take one more loss, it might be over for this um live account. I mean, uh, funded account. It just might be over, bro. And I studied my losses, and they were good losses. Every loss that I took was a good loss. Um, every loss that I took last week was a great loss. Just because of the fact that I was following my trading plan, my system, and everything was just good. But not every trade works out, obviously. So I took two losses back last week. Yeah, 2 losses back to back, and then we started Monday with another loss. That is that is rough. I'm not gonna lie. I have I have not experienced something like this in so long. Since last year in October, I think it was. October and last year March. Man, this is crazy. If y'all got anything, any advice or anything like that, just comment down below. I could see it in the chat. Just let me know what's going on, like what's up, cause the market is cooking me right now, like literally. All those other times I had to just thug it out. But if y'all have any advice, I'll listen. I don't mind it. You feel me? So this is the loss that I took. God damn. That was tough. I mean, shit. Let me see. Dog, what's going on, bro? 'Cause there's no freaking way I just took another loss. Alright, bro, I'm going before I should, you feel me? Make a decision that I do not want to make. Um, yeah, I'm going. This is it. We live to trade another day. You feel me? We're just gonna show up back tomorrow, Tuesday. You feel me? Try to get this dub. We started out the week rough with this loss right here, which it, like I said, it should have been a winner. Three losses back to back. Um, from last week, two losses, Wednesday and Thursday, and then Monday, starting with the week with a loss is completely wild. But you feel me? We're still gonna show up tomorrow. Um, we're gonna keep going until we fund it. Until we, yeah, until we get a payout. Simple as that. Losses cannot take you out the game. Feel me? It is what it is. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, love, and abundance to all of y'all. You and your family, many blessings, brothers. And to whoever is watching, I appreciate you. Alright, peace.